Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today we're making Blueberry Butter Swim Biscuits. Now these are different from traditional biscuits in that you don't have to cut in the butter or shortening, and you don't have to roll them out and cut them. This is all made in one bowl and poured out into an 8x8 pan full of melted butter, and the result is almost a fried-like texture of the exterior and very soft and pillowy inside. We're also going to be adding in some blueberries today, making these biscuits almost like a dessert. So let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. The ingredients for the Blueberry Butter Swim Biscuits are all-purpose flour, kosher salt, baking powder, sugar, a lemon, buttermilk, blueberries, confectioner's sugar, milk, vanilla extract, and butter. You'll also need an 8x8-inch baking pan. Now we're going to start by going through and rinsing these blueberries off and picking out any shriveled ones. I'm going to measure 1.5 cups. I have a 1.5 cup measuring cup. I'm just going to line a small bowl with paper towel and dry them off a little bit. That'll also give me a chance to go through and pick out any ones that don't look so good and remove any stems if you see them. Now I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of flour to the blueberries. Shake them up. Now this will help them not bleed into the dough as much and float down to the bottom of the pan. We'll put those aside for now. Next we want to zest our lemon. We'll be adding the zest of 1 lemon to the batter. And we'll also use some of the juice in the glaze. Blueberries and lemons go together perfectly. So to give it a nice citrusy flavor with the blueberries. I'm just going to go ahead and juice that lemon. I'll use a strainer to make sure there's no seeds in there. Okay, we'll put that aside for now. In a large mixing bowl, we want to measure out our flour. So we'll do the spoon and level method. 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. I'm just going to sift that into a large bowl. Next, we're going to add our buttermilk. I'm just going to add a little well, make a little well in the middle of that. I'm going to add in 2 cups of buttermilk. Now you don't want to do a lot of heavy stirring. You just want to stir it just until it's combined. Okay, the flour is just combined, so now I'm going to add in the blueberries that we reserved and the lemon zest. And you just want to lightly fold them. Now you can use, in this recipe, you can use fresh or frozen blueberries. I'm using fresh. Either way, you don't want to overmix it. Okay, now I'm going to put in a whole stick of butter into an 8x8-inch glass baking dish. And because I have a glass baking dish, I can just melt that right in the microwave, and that's what I'm going to do. Otherwise, you need to just melt it in a glass cup or something. Okay, so the butter is melted. I'm going to just lightly scoop that dough in there. This is so much easier than rolling out and cutting biscuits. You just want to spread it around till it fills up that pan, and then just take a brush and pull some of that butter on top. And this is where you get your butter swim, because it's just swimming in butter. Now I've preheated my oven to 450 degrees. And first I'm going to kind of just do like a pre-cut of some biscuits. So I want to make 9 biscuits, and that'll just give us somewhere to start when we're cutting and serving these. It doesn't have to be perfect. There you go. So I'm going to put this in a 450 degree oven, and I'm going to bake it for about 25 minutes. I'll check it along the way. It should bake anywhere from 24 to 28 minutes. Okay, while the biscuits are baking, I'm going to mix up our glaze. I'm just going to start with about 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of milk, just a little vanilla for flavor. Then we'll see how that comes together, and then we'll add in a little bit of lemon juice just for that citrusy lemon flavor of the glaze. Just give it a good whisk. And that's exactly the way you want it, just so you're able to drizzle it onto the biscuits. Whew. Now look at those biscuits swimming in butter. I'm going to do a toothpick test. Okay, I added in a couple more minutes. We'll see if that did the trick. And that is clean. So now while those biscuits are still hot, we'll drizzle on that glaze. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Now this was starting to overflow in my oven, so I think what I would do is recommend, instead of an 8x8 pan, I would recommend a 9x9 pan, or even a 10-inch skillet. Like a 10-inch iron skillet with these would be really good. Okay, we're gonna let those cool for just a little bit, and then we will scoop one out and do a taste test. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful, full of blueberries. Just like a very moist cake inside. Okay, now for the taste test of the Blueberry Butter Swim Biscuits. They look absolutely delicious. That is like a coffee cake, actually. Really, really good. The outside is crispy, where it cooked in the butter, and the inside is very soft and cakey. It is like a coffee cake. So you could use this for breakfast or a dessert. And the lemon zest in the mix and the lemon juice in the glaze give it a wonderful pairing with the blueberries. The only thing that I would change is I would make the pan a little bit bigger. You could put this in a 9x9 or even 11x7. When I used the 8x8, it did bubble over in my oven a little bit, so I have a little cleaning to do. But I really hope you try this. It's quick and easy and so good for breakfast or dessert. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hope's Homemade Kitchen as we made Blueberry Butter Swim Biscuits. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell for notification of more videos and comment down below. Check out my breakfast playlist, as well as my other playlists for dinner, appetizers, and desserts. We'll see you next time.